How to fix lagging or not loading issues in VEED. First of all, open your browser and make sure you have a stable internet connection since VEED is an online video editor and depends on your network speed to load projects smoothly. If your video is lagging or the page isn't loading properly, try refreshing the browser and check if the issue is resolved. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, stored data can cause VEED to slow down or not load correctly. After clearing them, reopen your browser and sign into your VEED account again. If you are still facing lagging issues, try switching to another browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Brave browser. VEED works based on updated browsers, so make sure yours is up to date. You can also disable any unnecessary browser extensions that might interfere with VEED's performance. Another tip is to lower the video playback quality while editing. This doesn't affect the export quality but helps your editing process run more smoothly. You can also close any other heavy tabs or apps running in the background to free up system resources. If VEED is still not loading, check your official status page or social media to see if there's a temporary outage. Sometimes the issue might be on your server side. Lastly, if none of these work, try opening VEED in an incognito or private browser window. This disables stored cookies and extensions that might be causing problems. Now you know how to fix lagging or not loading issues in VEED. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.